In this video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram highlights without posting them to your story. So if you don't want others to see your highlight before you have uploaded it, and the regular way, you need to just do it by going to your story and then posting that story. But here what you need to do is click on your story and then just post whatever, and then you want to make sure that you click on close friends and make sure that nobody is in the close friends, or you can choose one person that you like. You need to only have like one person, and that one person can be your other account or somebody else. Then you click on share, and then only that person will be able to see that story. So if I go to my profile and I want to add it as a story, I go here and I click on it, go next, name it whatever, and now as you can see, I have added it as a story without even posting the story so that everybody knows about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.